Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to fill out financial projections for a food truck. This will work for any type of food truck or even a food cart. If you want to get the template to follow along, just click the link below. Okay, let's jump on in here, starting out on the General Assumptions tab. Up here, you'll want to enter the name of your business and the date you plan on starting. After that, go down and enter your investment as well as any other people investing in the business. Just enter the name, the amount, and the month invested in. In this example, I'll be putting in my own money as well as getting an investment from my family. After that, go down and enter any loans that you plan on receiving. Enter what you'll call it, the original amount, month you'll be making the first payment in, the interest rate, and the number of monthly payments. Then we'll want to enter our fixed assets. These are things like cooking equipment, refrigeration, and your electric setup. Just enter the title, its category, the cost, its life expectancy, the salvage value, and the month purchased. I'll speed it up as I fill out the rest of these. After you download the template, if you need help filling this out or have any questions, just go to the support page on our website and we'll help you out free of charge. Now, the last thing that we need to fill in here is our starting inventory amount. And after that's filled out, we can move on to the labor page. This first part will enter the information for hourly workers. Put in the number of hours you'll be open per week, any extra working hours, the hours per week per employee, minimum employees per hour, average hourly rate, and the hourly wage inflation rate. Then we come down here and enter the information for any workers on salary. In this case, we'll have a manager. Just enter their salary, any taxes or benefits, the month they start, and their annual raise. I'll be paying myself a salary as the owner. If you are doing this too, make sure to put in owner as the job title. Now we can move on to the revenue page. This template breaks your revenue into two parts: your normal day-to-day food truck sales and any extra revenue you make from events or catering. We'll start up here with the normal day-to-day revenue. Enter the number of customers in the first 3 months, the amount in the rest of year 1, and then the yearly customer growth rate up to year 5. After that, we enter the average spend per customer over each of the first 5 years. You'll typically see this grow over time. Then we enter our food cost as a percentage of sales and the days we're open each month. After that, we have the option to add seasonality. Simply enter if it's low, medium, or high for each month. If you don't need this for your food truck, simply leave it blank. Now let's move on the events revenue. There are up to 3 different event types you can add. Simply enter the average revenue for that event type, the number of labor hours it'll take, the amount of people on staff needed, how many of these events per month you'll have, and the yearly event growth for this type of event. The typical event revenue that food trucks will get is around $1,000 to $2,000, and the amount of events per month you'll have ranges from 1 to up to 7 events. Once that's filled out, you can see a summary of your revenue and cost of goods sold up here. Now we can move on to the operating expenses page. These are any ongoing monthly costs you'll have to run your business, like utilities, supplies, insurance, marketing, and software. Enter the expense, its category, if it's fixed, or a percentage of sales, and the monthly cost. I'll speed it up as I fill out the rest of the expenses. This will be the bulk of filling out the template, but once you download it, there will be an option to also get a pre-filled version. I'll slow it down here to show a cost that's a percentage of sales. Just simply enter the amount as a percentage like this in the monthly cost cell. Now, come down here and enter your tax rate for each year. I'll keep it flat at 25% each year. After that, come up here and enter the annual cost inflation rate. Once you put it in, you'll notice all of your operating costs automatically update to reflect it. Now we have one more page to fill out. This page covers how much we'll take out of the business as the owner. Simply enter the amount and then the annual growth rate. And now that that's filled out, we're done. We have our full 5-year projected financials for our food truck with each of the financial statements. Here is the detailed income statement by month showing all of our revenue and expenses. We also have a simple yearly version. Next is the monthly cash flow statement, showing all of the cash coming in and out of the company each month, as well as the yearly version of that. And lastly, we have our balance sheet showing all of our assets, liabilities, and owner's equity for the business. If you want to download the template to have projections for your own food truck, just click the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.